Hi, this is Microdose U, and I'm Dr. Denise. I'm a doctor of psychology, and I got a really important question today that I wanted to address. So, people often ask us here at Microdose U if we can help them get the medicine. So, we can. We actually can help you get some of the medicine. And so, I wanted to talk about that today because part of the issue is that you can very easily get psilocybin to microdose mushrooms. Very easy, I can tell you. Look it up and you will get a long, long list. Ask around, people will tell you. And yet here's the thing. There is a very the large majority, huge, tremendous, can I emphasize this enough, chance that one of two or both of these things happen. One, you will get scammed completely. You'll send your money to somebody, they'll sound good, it'll look legit, all kinds of testimonials. And how here's how you can sometimes spot a scam. They ask for a lot of money up front. They something seems off if you sort of independently go out of your search engine and look them up. You will probably see something that looks like a little off, but sometimes not. And we know the online world is very clever, and scams. It's horrible and very challenging. What goes on? I get an email from my bank saying there's an issue, and if I click on that, and I never click on anything, I call directly or go to my original source, there's a really good chance that there's a scam. People say, I sound a little jaded. I'm not jaded. I think that I often say a healthy dose of being jaded. I am cautious. I don't just easily trust that something is what it says to be because we all know that the world is filled with all kinds of fishy scam type situations. And the world of psychedelics is one of the worst. The scams are, I can tell you, I know I'm repeating myself here, that if you just Google and you look and you kind of research and you even talk to someone and it looks legit, there's still a very, very high chance that you are going to be scammed. In other words, you're going to lose your money. Here's the second thing. I said there were two things and possibly both. The other thing that can happen is you get something that's not really the medicine. Maybe it has a little bit of psilocybin. Maybe it's some synthetic something. I've actually known people that have been in areas where it's easy, like say the state of Oregon, where it's legal in terms of if you go to a facility to, especially at a macro dose, that there, we know that the legality is increasing, decriminalizing, things like that. So someone was in Oregon and they went to a dispensary for all kinds of medicines, and there was legitimate right there. Person sent me a picture. Here's the dose. Here's the medicine. Bought it and had an interesting experience. Not terrible, not terrific. Just felt a little something, but had an undesirable side effect where their pupils dilated and to a point where it's noticeable. And this was a microdose. Pupils do not dilate, especially at a microdose level, and this was a microdose level. So the suspicion is there was something else in there. When you're getting medicine and you're just sort of looking out there with an unsource, it's really a gamble. Now, some people are legit and people get fortunate, but it is more the exception. People are losing their money. If they don't lose their money, they're getting something that's an inferior product or a scam. So if you are listening to this right now and you have good medicine and a good source, that's terrific. So many people do not. And you cannot just go walk around in the neighborhoods, and not that you would do that, but those days are kind of over. So we have vetted sources here at Microdose U for psilocybin. And so we like to share those with you. And how you can get that information, we don't just sort of announce it in the podcast. And that's because this is anyone can watch these podcasts. If you go into Patreon, which you can see and check in the show notes, click on the Patreon, and you do have to join. And we ask people not to just join and then leave, because really the first of all, it's like $12.50 I think a month, and if you join for a longer period of time, it's even less than that. And here's why: we're not trying to get you to join. Whenever I hear somebody say, oh, like, we're going to give you this, but you got to go do this other thing, I'm very skeptical, and I say, oh, it's a scam, or someone's trying to get me to do something, I'm going to look for a workaround. That is not what's going on here. Here at Microdose U, we are never looking for people to, we're not trying to build the income or a business or get people to do things for money. It's really, I mean, things do cost money, of course. It's how we keep things going here at Microdose U. And so we do need to have a small fee for a Patreon. And yet, here's the thing: not only do you get unrestricted access to the medicine, these are vetted sources, and being in Patreon, the vetted sources are active in Patreon, and you can ask for advice. Here's the other thing that's great about doing that: a lot of people will get the medicine and not know really how to dose. And yes, you can look things up, and you can even watch all our podcasts and get an idea. And yet, here's the tricky part: everybody is different. There are trends, there are general advice and directions we can absolutely say. And yet, it's going to be dynamic, it's going to be an evolving process. And if you're in Patreon, besides just getting the real medicine and very carefully sourced, trusted sources that are like the highest level people that are really about helping provide the best medicines, what you can do is you can ask right there. It's a very large group. Not only are there experts in there that are experienced, and I'm in there, and Dr. Dave's in there for all at Microdose U. We also have a lot of people that are very, very expert at these medicines, using the medicines, and they can share their experience. And you can kind of look at a large group of people, and you can say, oh, this happened like this for this person. You can ask me a direct question. And yes, people can work with us one-on-one, and you can get consultations. And yet, being in Patreon, you can get these sources. You can ask, what should I start with? What should I do? This is what's happened. These are the variants. What do you think? And I will answer you. Dr. Dave will answer you. Our vetted sources are in there and will answer you. Plus, the large community of Patreon will answer and share. And then you have that supportive community. And supportive community is so important anyway in our world, but particularly on your healing journey. So go on Patreon and you'll immediately get the access, and then you can ask questions and, like I said, have direct conversations. And the people on Patreon, our community, spans the entire planet. So any time of day, there's someone on there, because we have people that are in the United States, we have people that are in Australia, all places all over. And so people are different time zones, and somebody will answer your question. Someone will be helped by the question that you ask, and potentially even answer as a result. Sometimes we don't realize how much our struggle or our questions and our comments might be so very helpful to somebody else. So it's really great to have that community, and it's really, as I said, very important to make sure. I don't want you to be scammed. I don't want you to lose. You're going to lose your money if you just sort of start out with no guidance. And loss of money is, of course, very important. I'm really concerned that people end up taking something that they might not know what they're taking. And that can be very problematic. So particularly for women, when you have a lot of hormonal changes, and as life is going on, you really want to be careful. We all want to be careful, but I say this little extra note for women. We want to be very careful what we're putting in our bodies, what we're taking, because of all the changes and variables that may be starting to happen. And there's a lot of adjusting that the body's doing. So then you start taking a new supplement, you start taking some of these psychedelic medicines, and if you don't have good, pure, vetted sources and good medicine, now you're really adding like who knows what, and then it's going to be harder to find your way. So that's for everybody, but that little note for women. So please absolutely ask me questions. You can respond to me directly at Microdose U. You can reply to this podcast. People will make comments and I will see them and I will answer them. However, really the best thing to do is go on Patreon so you can get those vetted sources and then you can have that conversation and direct one-on-one guidance and participate in the lives and all that comes with that community. So I hope that's helpful. We really want to get you to the medicine, to the resources in the best, healthiest manner possible. I will see you soon.